Hey all, on today's video we're going to go check out potential kayak launching locations along Maryland's eastern shore. More specifically, the Upper Chester River. It's February 27th. The forecast is for 54 degrees with a 65% chance of rain. It's currently 43 degrees at almost 11 a.m. It's a great day to do some recon considering the lousy weather. So let's get started. Here's the first place we're checking out today. It's in Millington, Maryland. It's the Waterfront Park. Chester River runs through here. So let's go take a look at it. It's been raining and it's pretty soggy. That's interesting. I don't think they came from here. Pretty big tree. Likes its feet wet. It is growing out of the water. Looks like the end of the line. Unless I want to go through this. And looking at these spikes on here, I don't think I want to go through that. And here's the trail back towards the parking lot. It looks like it has a few spots to fish from. You probably have to get here early, like everywhere else, if you're going to fish and get a good spot. Okay, now I'm leaving the parking area again, and we're going down a left trail on the left-hand side. And let's see where that goes. Came up on a little bridge with a big fallen tree. Let's take a look and see what's on this side. There's that tree. Looks like it took out the middle of the bridge. I'm not comfortable crossing that. So we'll just stay right here. But it looks like it does take you out to the trail that had the water where you could fish from. Looks like it would take you out there. Back on the trail again. And looks like the end. Not sure where it goes, and I don't know if you could see it, but it's all muddy. It's a bunch of mud puddles. It might go further back. There I see sand, and maybe the makings of another trail, but it's all overgrown. I can't bushwhack my way back there right now. But it might go right back. Actually, I think it does. Go right back to the river. We've reached our second destination for today, Quaker Neck Landing. A nice new deck. Great sandy spot to launch a kayak. Destination number 3 for the day is Cliff City Boat Ramp. Let's take a look. That's sand. You can drop the kayak in there. And somebody left some boat ramp art. Isn't that cute? That looks like an osprey or an eagle's nest. Probably an osprey. Here we are at our final destination, Bogles Wharf. Let's take a look around. Well, looks like you can do some kayaking from here as well as fishing. Let's take a look at the boat ramp. Well, this one doesn't look so promising. It has cement, so unless you want to scratch up your kayak, I don't recommend it. There's another area over here to the left. Let's go take a look at it. It might be sandy. And there it is, just as I suspected. It's sand. We'll be able to put a kayak in there. Of all the places I've visited today, this one seems the most promising. We'll have a few adventures from this spot. Thanks for watching.